The two-day G20 Research and Innovation Initiative Gathering Conference will begin in Dibrugarh, Assam today. The stalemate continued in both houses of parliament today over Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's remark on Indian democracy and Adani Group issue. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar today held a meeting with the floor leaders of different political parties to break the logjam and ensure the orderly functioning of the upper house. Union Health Ministry has cautioned the people that the threat of COVID-19 pandemic is not over. Indian pair Narmada Nithin Raju and Rudranj Balasaheb Patel won bronze medal as they beat China mixed team by 16-8 in the 10 air rifle mixed team bronze medal match in ISSF World Cup Shooting Championship in Bhopal today.